Hi, my name is Eric White, and today we're going to talk about how to register a domain name. So the first thing you have to do is figure out what you want your domain name to be. Now realize it's going to be one solid word. Basically don't want to put any special characters in there anywhere. So what I did was I've gone over here to GoDaddy.com, and in the center of the page here is the Start a Domain Name search. So you figure out what you want, you have to type it in here to see if it's even available. So I'm going to choose something like Lovely Chickens. Let's see if they have lovelychickens.com. So I hit go. Takes a second, it goes out and it searches, and here's what it found. It is available. So now what you can do is you choose how you want to spend it. Like for just $9.99, you get the .com. But maybe if your business is Lovely Chickens, you may want all of the .net, the .info. So no matter what people go to for Lovely Chickens, they'll always get you. So you go ahead and pick out what you want and fill it out, and then proceed to checkout. You'll proceed to checkout, you'll fill out your personal information, and then you submit. And then in about 48 hours, your domain will be registered and available. And that's all there is to registering a domain name.